Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Lu. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to glass skin. So glass skin is all about that dewy, glowy, blemish-free skin, and I'm going to show you how to achieve that in today's video. In fact, I'm not wearing any foundation today. If you want to see how I glass skin, then just keep watching. As usual, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel with the subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot to me. I'm also on Instagram at Lu the Tooth Fairy. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first let's start with skincare. I've already cleansed my face. So now I'm gonna go in with my Klairs Preparation Toner. I use 2 to 3 drops of this and I go over 2 to 3 layers. You could use a cotton pad, but I prefer to use my fingers. Next, I'm going in with my Klairs Vitamin C Serum. This will give you that glow, and vitamin C is also really good for evening out your skin tone. I've made a video on my skincare routine and how to get rid of hormonal acne, so I'll put it in the description link down below. Now I'm gonna use the La Roche Posay Effaclar Duo Plus. This one has SPF. Just gonna use about this much. Finally, for that dewy skin, I'm going to use my Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. This is super moisturizing and it would give you that instant glow. This vitamin E mask is super moisturizing, so it's perfect for this glass skin look. Okay, now that we've got skincare out of the way, let's start with the makeup. Okay, let's put on some brows first. I'm going to use the Innisfree Huda eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use a very light hand today because I want it to look as natural as possible. So the key to glass skin is to look as natural and as skin-like as possible. So I'm not going to be using any foundation today. I'm only going to conceal. So for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to put some in my under eye, on my forehead, and around my nose. I'm going to cover up some hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going to use the 3CE Blur Filter Powder. This is super amazing. It blurs away all your pores, which is perfect for achieving this flawless glass skin. So I'm applying this to where I have the most pores, which is around this area. Look at how smooth that looks. I'm gonna also apply around my nose and my T-zone because that's where I get oily. And in this look, we want to look glowy and moisturized and not oily. So for my eyes today, I want to do something a bit more natural. So I'm just going to go with this pink shade here. This is the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. Now I'm gonna tightline my eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in Black Market. So today I'm gonna draw a super small wing, just to elongate my eyes a little bit. Okay, it's like a super tiny wing. Okay, I'm gonna put on some falsies and be right back. So moving on to blush, I'm using Hibiscus Bloom from the Chrissy Teigen Becca palette. I'm gonna use a generous amount because we want that rosy skin look. I'm also gonna put some on my nose. And finally, one of the most crucial part in glass skin, that is the highlighter. And I will be using Beach Nectar, also from the same Chrissy Teigen and Becca palette. I'm gonna apply a generous amount. You should try to use a highlighter that complements your skin tone. I'm gonna apply this on the high points of my face, like here, above my eyebrows. Ooh. Look at that glow. Shouldn't forget your brow bone. And I'm gonna put some in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna contour my nose with Too Cool for School Art Class shader. So for lips, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lipstick in Freckle Fiesta. I'm just gonna lightly dab this on. And for that ultimate glossy look, I'm going to use the Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. And this is in the shade Fussy. And that's it, guys. This is how I achieved the glass skin look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I post a new video every Sunday, so please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!